Sun Pharma just made the biggest bet in its history. It's buying US pharma company Organon in an $11.75 billion deal. That's over 1 lakh crore rupees. Let that sink in for a moment. And investors are asking just one question. Why would India's largest pharma company make such a massive acquisition? Because this is not just another takeover, this could redefine Sun Pharma's global future. So let's see what exactly happened. Sun Pharma announced that it will acquire 100% of Organon for $14 per share in cash, valuing the company at an enterprise value of $11.75 billion. The transaction is expected to close in early 2027, subject to approvals. To put this into perspective, this is by far Sun Pharma's biggest acquisition ever. And management is not buying a random company, they are buying a business with $6.2 billion annual revenue, with presence in 140 plus countries, leadership in women's health, and a fast-growing biosimilars platform. But why Organon? Because Sun Pharma wants to stop being seen as just an Indian pharma giant, it wants to become a global pharma powerhouse. And Organon helps it do exactly that. Now, post-acquisition, their combined revenue jumps to $12.4 billion and becomes a top 25 global pharma company. It enters the top 10 global biosimilars market and becomes a top 3 player in women's health globally. And most importantly, 27% of the combined company's revenue will now come from innovative medicine. This is a strategic transformation. It is not just buying revenue, it's buying new growth engines. But big deals come with big risks. Organon also brings debt. The acquisition is valued at $11.75 billion, which includes debt. Organon itself had $8.8 billion debt at FY25 end. That means Sun is taking on leverage. Post-deal combined net debt rises to 2.3 times. Still manageable, but much higher than Sun's current net cash balance sheet. So execution matters. If integration goes wrong, this deal can hurt. If integration goes right, it could be transformational. And now the real test begins. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.